Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all students of class 8. This is Mrs. Kausar Imran again with English lecture for video 8. Again, we are back on sound sensation. Today we are going to do page number 39, paragraph 9 and 10. Paragraph number 9. I hope you are all with me with the book, page number 39. This is the paragraph. Evelyn, please read with me. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Workaholic means that she needs to work a lot. She just have to work. Without work, she cannot survive. Okay? I've just got to work. Often harder than classical musicians. This means even she needs to work harder than classical musicians, the musicians who are in the field of classical music. Okay, there are different kinds of music. Pop music is there and classical music is there. Other kinds of musics are also there. But the rewards are enormous. Rewards means people recognize her, people appreciate her. Enormous means huge, big. Apart from the regular concerts that are there in her schedule, after this also she gives free concerts in prisons and hospital. Prisons means, what is prison? Prison means jails. She goes there, she gives free concerts for the prisoners and the ill people. Okay? She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. Classes means where she needs to teach them. If she has some class of young musician and she needs to teach them, then this is her first priority, first choice. Now this Beethoven Funds for Deaf Children, this is one organization and a person from there, Anne Richland, she says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. Who she? Yes, Evelyn Glennie is a shining inspiration. Inspiration means people just look up to her and they feel like we can also do it. We can also be like her. Especially for the deaf children. Deaf children, they feel like this is the end of their world. They cannot do anything. But after looking at Evelyn, they feel like yes, that they can also do something with their life. They can also have a proper career. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. There is nothing that they cannot achieve. Difficult vocabs are workaholic, a person who finds it difficult to stop working. This means you just need to do the work. You cannot survive without working. Confesses means you admit, you say guiltily, yes, I'm sorry, I do it, I have done it. Enormous is big. Prison means jails. Priority means preferences, first choice, to prefer. Inspiration means motivation, encouragement. You look up to somebody, to be like someone. Paragraph number 10. This is the last paragraph of the chapter. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than people twice her age. She is already successful. She has achieved. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra. Normally people, they were not giving value to percussions, means the drums, and now she has brought them to the front, even the xylophones. Demonstrated that it can be very moving. Demonstrated means showed that these drums and xylophones can be really very much touchy. They are you can feel it's beating to into your heart. She has given inspiration, encouragement to those who are handicapped. Handicapped means who are not having all the things proper. Most probably they are not proper, not having their hands, not having their legs, maybe eyes are not working properly. People who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. This is what is the thought of some handicapped person, because they just look up to her and say, if she can do it, then definitely I can also achieve my career, my goal. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. Millions are the audience, millions of people who are sitting in the crowd to listen to her, and enormous pleasure after listening to her music. Difficult vocabulary of this paragraph: accomplished means achieved, percussions means the drums, demonstrated, showed, moving, touching or affecting, inspiration means motivation or encouragement. These all meanings we have already discussed in the paragraph. If you are having any difficulty, because percussions normally are the drums, sometimes we can take xylophones also in that. Demonstrated means to show, moving means something that touch or affect your heart, inspiration means someone who's having power on you, like you also want to be like them. Summary. A very quick summary, a recap. Evelyn Glennie can play many drums together, many instruments together. She's a multi-percussionist. She has attained mastery, means expertise over almost 1,000 musical instruments. 1,000 musical instruments she knows how to play, and she's not just having the knowledge, she's expert on it. And she is definitely hearing impaired. So this is the problem that she is having. Still, she is very good with these musical instruments. She learned to feel music through the body instead of hearing through the ears. This means she is not actually hearing, she is actually feeling through her body. Next is, when Evelyn was 11 years old, it was discovered that she's losing her hearing power because of some nerve damage. This is we have already discussed. Specialists advise hearing aid as well as the school, especially for the deaf. But Evelyn was like very much determined. She wanted to go and lead a proper life, a normal life, and she also wanted to pursue her career in music. Okay, many teachers said you cannot do it, but her talent was noticed by Ron Forbes, and he guided her how to feel some music through her body, and this worked really well for her, and she worked hard to achieve what she wanted. Then once she has overcome this hurdle means this problem was solved. When this problem was solved, she started her career in music. She took admission in a very good organization in London, and then there obviously she scored highest marks. Then hard work and dedication helped her to achieve her goal and gave her success. She first started working in the complete band, but after that she worked for solo performances, and right now she is not only giving solo performances, but she's also giving charity free concerts for hospitals and schools and jails. Okay? After this she has also got or received awards. Okay, and this is complete a biography of a person which has motivated a lot of people who are not normal, who are handicapped somehow, but they have started living a normal life just because of their determination and hard work. Okay? After this, we are going to do question answers. Learn to read one on page number 39 and 40. Question number 1 is work out the meanings of the following words using the clues in the bracket. For this, I am not going to discuss the meanings or the answers for the question number 1 because I am expecting you to do it on your own. All the meanings are discussed in details completely. So I want you to do and share the picture of first question only in the group. Okay? Only first questions pick in the group. Got it? Question number 2, we have already got here heading for each of the following paragraph. Okay? Headings are given. You need to go back to the paragraphs and read them once again and then find out which one is suiting best paragraph as the best one, the most suitable heading for the paragraph. Okay, share question number 2 after doing it on the separate paper and share the pic of that also in the group. Question number 3 is give reasons for the following. This question we are going to discuss here. Okay. Question number 3, give reasons for the following. This is the picture from the book. Okay. The first one is Evelyn was nervous on her first day at the Royal Academy of Music in London. Why? The reason could be, yes, because she was coming from a Scottish farm. From a Scottish farm to a big city, London. This can be one reason. Another reason can be she was deaf. Okay? Also, third reason can be it was her first day at the Royal Academy of Music and it was a prestigious institution. Very good. Okay? Now, B. Evelyn's mark in school deteriorated. Why her marks were going down? Because she was losing her hearing ability or because she was affected by nerve damage. Okay? C. Evelyn felt indebted to Ron Forbes. Why? Because he was the person who actually spotted her talent. All the teachers, all the people were saying, no, you cannot do it. But he was the only person who not only spotted her talent, but also helped her learn music. Okay? Number D. D is men with bushy beard trouble Evelyn. Why? Because of the beard, she cannot see the lip movements. Okay? The last one, she needs to remove her shoes and lean against the drum during a performance. Why is that so? Because she needs to feel the vibration from the floor and the drums. Very good. Okay, this also you are going to do in the copy. Okay? But this question you don't need to share with me because we have already discussed. Okay, this is the end of the chapter. Hope you have done well. Inshallah, we'll meet soon. Allah Hafiz.